be magnified. Everyone has gone astray and followed after lies, but you have loved us and opened our eyes. It's your grace from beginning to the end. It's your grace. We will never comprehend why you drew the ones who ran from you. What can we do but offer you praise? You will save whom you will save. We were captive to our wills, and if our hearts had not been changed, we'd flee your mercy still. You will save whom you will save, and who can question what you do? You're the potter, we're the clay. You can make us as you choose, and there is no one who boasts before you. It's your grace from beginning to the end. It's your grace. We will never comprehend why you drew the ones who ran from you. What can we do but offer you praise? Save whom you will save, yet the promised hope remains. You will rescue anyone who calls upon your name, and you will save whom you will save. Faithful love